Hey, how's it going, guys? I just wanted to show you the new pit bike build. Ron made this one the punter. We found a brake, and there's a couple little parts on here that I kind of want to keep, like those anodized adjusters right there. Of course, the Honda seat. Did a great job. I always like the bigger pegs. One item is this BBR twist throttle, and because of this little trick part for the clutch, hard to find. I think I went on BBR's website and still had trouble finding it. But awesome job. He said the headlight works on it, and you know, it is what it is. This, you know, was a junkyard dog, but came out really nice. And, this guy, of course, see that chrome on the rims. And, that's a Clark tank, one of those $100 ones off eBay. I mean, it still looks great. The air chuck whip. And he actually made that grab bar out of copper tubing. But here's this California pit bike. So he had a Honda seat, and he had an old 650 sticker kit. King Racing 650. But he's got the gold anodized rims. This frame is so heavy. I've been looking for an aluminum perimeter frame. You'll know it when you see it. It usually comes in the 140s. So I haven't done anything with them, but he came with these Renthal bars. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. And, you know, I want to say these are 50 rims, but you know, I just love the way it kind of looks, especially the sticker kit. You can see the frame. Ugh. You know, this thing, it weighs a ton. So, he's on the back burner. And then, Ron wants to do something with this, this guy. I mean, he's just ridiculous tall. I don't know if he wants to call it a big wheel, but this side of that sticker kit. So they don't make this particular sticker kit anymore, but if you go on, I believe it's King Racing 650. They do have a graphics kit, but it's not this old school Hot Wheels looking one. So I just thought I'd do a little pit bike video. So, you know, pit bikes come and they go. There's no money in them unless you really hook them up good. So other than that, still working on that guy over there. And oh yeah, I picked up this guy a while back. He's a XR100. So he just had a carburetor rebuilt for him.